going on?
We're at a lookout in Kauai. Is that right?
That's right, we are in Hawaii. I'm not going to spend too much time on the intro because it's Hawaiian. There's, oh my god, there's so much to show you. So let's go explore Hawaii. Look at all those chickens. We are currently at Opaika Falls, which is right there. It's really gushing hard because we had so much rain this morning, which I think is quite normal here. I think it's one of the wettest islands maybe in the world. It's cool to see a waterfall go off like that because the photos I saw on Google were like, just a little trickle, and this is not a little trickle. Thoughts, Amelia?
Pretty. And full of water.
Like me.
What? That's way too close.
We really wanted to go north, but traffic is insane. It's just not moving. We've been staying there for like 20 minutes and it hasn't moved, so I guess we're going south.
We're gonna get killed if we're going to like a secret spot.
This is fine.
Oh, I hope our cars aren't getting scratched. Fuck.
Might be, a little bit.
Where the hell are we going? How you feeling?
This is nice. This is fun. Off the beaten track, off the highway.
Off the map, literally. Oh no!
Bummer. Alright, we'll go to the other beach then. That's a shame, isn't it? We're on this like really weird property with a tree tunnel. There's all these driveways and gates, but no houses behind it. Very strange. That's the end of the tunnel. And there's the beach. How was the tunnel, Amelia?
It was so creepy. So creepy.
Not a fan.
No.
We're now at Wailua Falls. There's a heli over there that I want to be in, and this is quite the waterfall. Look at it. What's up, you guys? Welcome to Hawaii. We're still here. We're at Waimea Canyon. I'm shooting some time lapses. My cameras are absolutely drenched because that's what happens in Hawaii. I'm here with Amelia and Joran. Joran is from Hawaii, lives here, is super interested in creative stuff and making photos and videos, and he lives in like the world's most beautiful place. So what's your Instagram so people can go check it out?
It's at Joran Ishihara.
Go check it out on Instagram. Ooh. Go check him out on Instagram and leave a comment that you came from this vlog so we know how much, you know, how many people you actually like engaged in all this stuff.
Yeah.
Thanks for showing us around, dude. High five. Woo. And here we are back in Sydney. It is not Hawaii, but it's not too bad either. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry that I stopped vlogging midway. A lot of life stuff happened, as I said, and I just had to kind of deal with that in my own way. So yeah, that's that. Anyways, I still hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the music. I've got a exciting partnership announcement. I'm partnering up with Epidemic Sound. They have a really cool affiliate program. If you sign up for a free account, so it costs you nothing, I make money. That's great. Please check out the link below if you like the tunes, if you want to use music for YouTube, Instagram, whatever. You can sign up for a month for free, get access to 30,000 songs, sorry, 60,000 songs, 30,000 sound effects like these. Wow. And it costs you nothing and I make a bit of money. And it's such a good affiliate program that I'm going to push it heavily from here on into the future because that's part of how I survive as an independent creator. So please click that link below, check it out, consider supporting the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.